Ew. Chasing Eden. Thank you very much, guys. Woo! Thank you, Kyle and Haley, for letting me stay on the beautiful boat. Here we are in Noosa, getting ready to rock and roll. Rainbow Beach, Double Island Point. Here I come, 50 kilometers today. Beautiful Noosa. Check out the sky, guys. Look how beautiful it is. Beautiful environment surrounding. Let's keep our oceans clean and work in harmony with our beautiful planet, with intelligence and love. Thank you. Please share, guys. Please support. Doing a fair bit of hard work out here, pretty sure. And all the way. Let's get a bit of side action. Ferris Gump, Feel Good Australia. Running for sea bins. Help keep our turtles and marine life clean. Woohoo! These two beautiful, amazing humans. Oh, where's my sunscreen? Chasing Eden sunscreen. Organic sunscreen, good for the ocean. Thanks, guys.